This is a perfectly typical room in a perfectly typical clinic. And this is Grace, a typical patient giving a typical blood sample. Every year, millions of blood samples are taken around the world. But in some departments, as much as 10% of them are useless because of hemolysis. Hemolysis means that the red blood cells burst during the sampling, rendering the blood sample useless for analysis. The problem is that with today's technique, you can't tell if a sample is okay or not until you've processed it. The process can take anything from 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, typically. And this is just to find out if the sample can be used for testing or not. That doesn't feel right. But with HELGE, everything changes. HELGE is a simple and quick test that you can easily attach to the blood sample. And here's the trick. HELGE instantly reveals whether the sample is useful or not. If it's not, you can take a new sample right away. Let's do the math. In, for example, US emergency departments alone, HELGE could save approximately $100 million per year. And at the same time, keeping the patient happy. She doesn't have to return for another sampling or wait as long for the test results. HELGE has almost finished product development, and now you can be a part of the next phase, making HELGE a reality for clinics all over the world. During the first quarter of 2017, hemcheck carries out a new issue of units consisting of both shares and warrants ahead of a planned listing on First North. HELGE from hemcheck, making every sample count.